Lesson 5.
Lesson 5.
Take
The
platform.
platform.
Tripti,
Priti.
Tara,
Tara.
Rupa,
Rupa.
Sneha,
Sneha.
Sahil,
Sahil.
and Joseph
Joseph.
are all the यहाँ पर 8 को भूल गया 8 the station. Lata is coming today. Her train is late. It is coming at 10 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock now. So they are on the platform waiting for her. Tripti, I am hungry. I will eat some samosas. Come who want to eat. Joseph, I am hungry too. Sahil, me too. Tara, this food eat. Tara, this food is not clean. It has dirt on it. Look at all those files. You should not eat these. Let's buy some bananas. Geeta, I have my tiffin. You can have my idlis and chutney. All together. Oh yes, that will be great. Rupa, oops, I dropped one. I am sorry. Tripti, thank you. Geeta, idlis are very tasty. Here comes the train. Joseph, look, there is Lata. Hello everybody. Sahil, her bags are heavy. Sneha, may I help you? Lata, thank you. Yes, please. Rupa, welcome. Lata, how are you? Lata, I am fine. Thank you. Come, let us all go home. अब आ जाते हैं लेसन 6. जू मैनर्स. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't
Don't
make
make
fun
fun
of
of
the
the
camel's
camel's
hump.
hump.
He's
He's
very
very
proud
proud
of
of
his
his
noble
noble
bump.
bump.
Don't laugh
Don't laugh
too
too
much
much
at
at
the
the
chimpanzee.
chimpanzee.
He
He
thinks
thinks
he's
he's
as
as
wise
wise
as
as
you
you
or
or
me.
me.
And
And
the
the
penguins
penguins
struggling
string
around
around
the
the
lake
lake
can
can
understand
understand
remarks
remarks
you
you
make.
make.
Treat them
Them
as
as
well
well
as
as
they
they
do
do
you,
you,
and
and
you
you
will
will
always
always
be
be
welcomed
welcome
at
at
the
the
zoo.
zoo.
आवाज आता है लेसन 7.
Lesson 7.
The
The
sky
sky
is
is
falling.
falling.
Kut kut
Kut kut
kutakku.
kutaku.
A
A
hen
hand
was
was
standing
standing
near
near
the
the
coconut
coconut
tree.
tree.
A
A
nut
nut
fell
fell
down
down
from
from
the
the
tree.
tree.
Dham
Dham
dham.
dham.
She
She
said
said
kut
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 kutakku.
kutaku.
The
The
sky
sky
is
is
falling.
falling.
The
The
sky
sky
is
is
falling
falling
and
and
she
she
ran.
ran.
The
The
cock
cock
asked,
asked,
why are you
why are you
running?
running?
The
The
hen
hen
said,
said,
run.
run.
The
The
sky
sky
is
is
falling.
falling.
The
The
cook
cook
said,
said,
I
I
am
am
also
also
coming
coming
with
with
you.
you.
So
So
they
they
ran
ran
together.
together
On
on
the
the
way
why
they
they
met
met
a
a
duck. The
the
duck
duck
said,
said,
quack
quack
quack.
quack.
Why
Why
are
are
you
you
running?
running?
The
The
hen
hen
said,
said,
run run.
run run.
Kut kut
Kut kut
kutakku.
kutaku.
The
The
sky
sky
is
is
falling.
falling.
The
The
duck
duck
said,
said,
I
I
am
am
also
also
coming
coming
with
with
you.
you.
And
And
they
they
run
run
together.
together.
A
A
rabbit
rabbit
saw
saw
them
them
running.
running.
Rabbit,
Rabbit,
where
where
are
are
you
you
going?
going?
The
The
hen
hen
said,
said,
run
run,
run.
run.
The
The
sky
sky
is
is
falling.
falling.
So
So
they
they
all
all
ran
run
together.
together.
A
A
fox
fox
was
was
coming
coming
out
out
of
of
her
her
cave.
cave.
She
She
asked,
asked,
oh
oh
my
my
dear,
dear,
what
what
is
is
the
the
matter?
matter?
The
The
hen
hen
said
said
the
the
sky
sky
is
is
falling.
falling.
We
We
are
are
all going
going
to
to
the
the
king's
king's
place.
place.
The
The
fox
fox
said,
said,
Friends,
Friends,
I
I
know
know
the
the
king's
king's
place.
place.
I
I
will
will
take
take
you
you
there.
there.
The
The
hen
hen
said,
said,
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
The
The
fox
fox
went
went
into
into
the
the
cave,
cave
and
and
the hen,
and
the
the
cook,
took
the
the
duck,
duck,
the
the
rabbit
rabbit
went
went
into
into
the
the
cave
cave
one
one
by
by
one.
one.
Gooses,
Gooses,
what
what
happened
happened
then?
then?
लेसन कौन सा लेसन था? लेसन 7। अब ये लेसन 8।
Lesson 8.
वेक अप,
Wake up.
वेक अप, वेक अप,
Wake up, wake up.
इट्स
It's
ए
a
लवली
lovely
डे.
day.
ओह
Oh,
प्लीज
please
गेट अप
get up
एंड
and
कम
come
टू
to
प्ले.
play.
द
The
birds
birds
are
are
singing
singing
in
in
the
the
trees,
trees,
and
and
you
you
can
can
hear
hear
the
the
buzzing
buzzing
bees.
bees.
Wake up,
Wake up,
wake up,
wake up.
it's
It's
a
a
lovely
lovely
day.
day.
Oh,
Oh,
please
please
get up
get up
and come
come
and
and
play.
play.
It's
It's
much
much
too
too
late
late
to
to
ill
eat
in
in
bed.
bed.
So
So
hurry
hurry
up,
up.
you
You
simply
simply
head,
wash
wash and
and
dress
dress
and
and
come
come
one out.
out.
Everyone
Everyone
is
is
up
up
and
and
about.
about.
The
The
cow,
cow,
the
the
horses,
horses,
the
the
ducks,
ducks,
and
and
the
the
sheep,
sheep,
the
the
teenaged,
teenaged,
chicken,
chicken,
cheep,
sheep,
cheep,
sheep,
cheep,
sheep.
wake up,
Wake up,